Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change a reservation without paying any extra using the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on trips icon. This will show all your current and past reservations. Tap on the trip you want to change, whether it's a flight, hotel, or a car rental. Look for a button that says Change Reservation, Modify, or Manage Booking. Tap it to begin the change process. Expedia will show you available options to avoid paying. Check in if your booking is marked as free cancellation or no charge fee. Choose new dates or details that fall within the free change policy. To keep it free, avoid switching to more expensive flight, hotels, or room types. Once you have made your change, review the summary. If the price is $0 or say no additional charge, tap confirm change or save change. And that's it. You have just changed your reservation without paying extra using the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.